Good morning, everybody. Happy August. Yes, you guys, it is the beginning of August. Everybody's slowly starting to come back to couponing from what I've seen and how I've been feeling from everybody, but there are new coupons to print that you guys definitely want to check out. So here we got the $1 off of 2 Kellogg's. I actually have some of those coupons, but I'm going to print them off anyways, just because you never know. Now here we have a $5 off coupon for dog food or cat food for Crave. I'm gonna print that off because you never know what you could find. The $3 Neutrogena reset for me, so I'm definitely gonna reprint that. Now, if you guys are new to printing coupons, I print my coupons from Swag Bucks just because I get points for every coupon that I print, and then I also get money I get points for every coupon that I redeem. So it adds up, and that's how I save up for a free Christmas. So yes, I'm going to print off the Clean and Clear, another Neutrogena, and then we have the Neutrogena from the other day. So we got those. They got Neocell, Rainbow Light, Voss, Biore, the OGX, looks like that reset. The Bella dog food, we got a $4 off 12 trays or $4 off 1 12-pack. So there is deals with Ibotta that you guys can stack onto that. CoverGirl did not change anything like that. Act is still available. We got $1.50 off Biotine. I'm printing that off. Now the Nexus, I don't know if that reset for me. I've been clicking this coupon like crazy and somehow it never prints. I think there's just something either going on with the website, but we will see if it did reset. We got the Bella, $1.50 off 4 trays. Awesome. And then let's just scoot down the Maui Moisture. We still have the $2. That looks like it reset. Now I'll let you guys know what I'm printing, what will not print for me. Clear Cell, $2 off. We got the dog food for $3. Popsicles. Here we got RX Kids. I'm going to print that off. There might be a deal with Ibotta sometime possibly. Carnation, Nature Valley. Here we got Yoplait, 50 cents off of 5. The Wii Yoplait, $1 off of 4. Boost, $3 off. Now here we got $7 off Rohoto. And then we got Uncle Matt's Organic. I don't know what that is, but we're going to print it off because it's $2 for popsicles. We'll try it. Here we got 75 cents off Simply Smoothie, Metamucil, $1 off of 2 for General Mills. I'm printing that off because we barely ever get that. Now here we have a $5 off Rohoto, Go-Gurt, all that stuff, $1.50 off of 2. Now here's an awesome coupon, 75 cents off of Skippy Peanut Butter. Right now you can print off of 55 cents, but hey, we'll take a 75 cents. We got Pillsbury, $1 off of 3, and then here are $3 off these Rohotos, so we'll print those off, yes. And then we have 55 cents off of Bug Spray. This is a deal, I think that's in Saving Star. For spend $25, you get $5 back. Then we're going to keep on trucking and see what else there is, and that seems to be it. So now I'll let you guys know for especially the Nexus, I bet you 2 out of 1 it will not print for me. There's just something going on. So we will see. Let's see. My darling fell down. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay, you guys. So we have the Kellogg's, the Crave, the Neutrogena, Clean and Clear, Neutrogena, Bella, Biotine. Oh, the Nexus did reset. And it goes until August 15th. So wait. We're going to print that off. But it looks like the OGX did not print. Is not printing for me. So there's like some kind of glitch. But hey, I'll take the Nexus. Thanks for watching. Get those coupons printed and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.